This 2022 Highland Ridge Open Range 284 RLS is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Nacogdoches, Texas, 75964 and is offered for sale by Genuine RV Powersports. This new Highland Ridge is 34 feet 3 inches in length and features 3 slideouts, a boardwalk interior, sleeps 4, spare tire kit, external shower, skylight, smoke detector, water heater, self-contained, oven, slideout, TV antenna, LP detector, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Highland Ridge Open Range 284 RLS is 10,525 pounds. This 2022 Highland Ridge Open Range 284 RLS. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by Genuine RV Powersports, visit RVUSA.com.